We're going to teach Hunter how to solder wires together today with a soldering gun, solder, and flux. If you're going to strip it, try to get the correct gauge. So you can clean that exposed wire like that. That's a 14 gauge wire. Okay. So what we want to do is try to put these two together. All right. You see? Okay, this is called flux. And the purpose of this stuff is to clean the wire so that the solder sticks to it. You put a little bit of this on there, like that. And when the soldering iron goes on there, it'll heat that up. And it'll melt and clean it. Clean the wire so the solder will bond to it. That flux goes a long way. I bought that stuff when I was about 21. Hold it.
I'm holding it.
Okay, now that trigger right there turns it on.
It smells like a heating iron.
Don't touch the business end of that. You will burn yourself. Hold it, yeah. Takes a little while for that to heat up.
How do you use it like this or like this?
Well, I'll show you. I'll do it once and then you can do it, okay? And always, when you're soldering something, never have it on metal because metal will take all the heat out of the gun. You want something that doesn't transfer the heat because you want all the heat to go in the wire. If you let it against the metal will absorb the heat and it won't get hot enough. And another important thing is we had a wire wheel here. I would clean all that off, all that from all the heat that it has, and when that's clean, it heats better and faster.
It smells like a straight.
There we go. That's what happens when it gets warmed up. When you're doing this, when you're putting the solder on this, that's called tinning. So you're melting solder under the wire. See, that's called tinning. So it's got solder on it. Okay. So now, and this stuff cools real fast too. The solder does. See how it's dried up already? Okay, you can, I'll hold the wire.
What do I do? Heat it?
Set it right on there. See that flux melting? Okay. Now you take this and it takes a while to heat up.
Good.
Put it on the wire. No, you want it to melt completely through it.
Like, what do you want?
Hold it on the wire. Okay. All right, now you got a tin. You can take this and put them together, set the soldering gun on top of it. Set it right on top.
We need more solder. Because
Yeah.
it's melting the solder.
It gets hot enough, it will melt.
Solder and
Okay, pull off her for a second.
keep holding it or let it go.
Let's see. It's together now.
So let go of the.
Yeah, you can let go of that. Basically, that's how it is. You're gonna have to do some trial and error as you're learning, but like, oh, don't touch that either. Just the plastic part. This tip, we need to clean all that burn stuff off of there, and which absorbs some of the heat. When that's really clean, it heats much faster, and this would be done really quick. I mean, as soon as you touch it, it'll melt it. Anyhow, that's how you solder.
So how much force can I apply?
Pretty strong.
I'll really try.
Pretty strong,
I
huh?
think I'd be able to.
Pull it apart.
Yeah, it's pretty strong.
Okay. First little lesson on soldering. And you'll learn more as you go. Is that it? That's it.